Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then add a multiple prong pin to the bottom of the hair after lifting up the ponytail and pull it through as such. Push it down from the top. Now divide the hair into two parts as such. Taking one of the sections, begin to braid this section of the hair. Now make a normal braid out of it. Once you are done with this side, do the same on the other side as well. After you are done with both of the sides, interchange them and then roll them up and tie them in place like a bun. Insert the ends and then use a bobby pin so that it stays in place. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side of the scalp and then tie it up in the back. Add another rubber band in the middle, make a hole in it, roll the hair in on itself as such. Now pull the hair through the top. Once you have done this, take two more sections from either side of the hair and then tie it up at the back. Add another section in the middle, roll the hair in on itself and then pull it through the top to make another bow-like shape. Pull it through the top portion of it so that it enhances the first one. Now add a rubber band at the base of the scalp and then add another one at the bottom. Once again, roll the hair in on itself. Wrap it around the one that you are creating. It should look like a flower at this point. Add decorative pins once you're done. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back. Roll the hair in on itself and then tie a ponytail at the bottom as such. Divide the hair into three sections, then take the top section and then begin to braid this section of the hair. Now, after you normally braid it, tie a rubber band at the bottom. Next, for the other two sections, add a rubber band in the middle of each of them, roll them in on itself, and then after this, tie a rubber band in the middle section for all of them. After this, roll the hair as such. Roll it upwards and then pin it up in place at the top. You may use a bobby pin to do so. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then roll the hair in on itself. Tie a rubber band in the middle as such. Now, once you have done this, once again, roll the hair in on itself, however, underneath in the middle. Now, pull it through the top. This will give you a bow-like shape. At the base, tie a ponytail to the base of the hair, and then add another rubber band in the middle. Once again, roll the hair in on itself, and then wrap it around the top to make a bun out of it. Now, divide the hair into two parts, and then add a bobby pin to it in the center, and then tie the rest of it up underneath it, and insert the loose ends in place. Add some decorative pins once you are done. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair, tie it up at the back as such. Next, tie it up slightly more towards the right side and then roll the hair in on itself. Take a section from the left side, add a rubber band to it, make two more sections only on the left side as such. Add a rubber band to the middle of each of these sections and then pull them through the initial top section that you have created, and now onto the other side, begin to normally braid the hair. Once you have braided the hair, roll it up and then tie it up onto the left side. Fasten it in place. You may use a bobby pin in order to do so, and then use decorative pins once you are done. Next, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side of the scalp, tie it up at the back, divide the hair into two sections at the back. Now, taking one section starting with the left side, begin to braid the hair. Now, make a normal braid and then tie a rubber band at the bottom. Do the same on the other side. Once you are done with this, roll the hair upwards and then pull it through the section that you have created on the top. Now, using the extra section that you have created, make another braid on the other side and then roll this one up as well once you are done. Tie a rubber band to it after normally braiding the hair, roll it up, fold it into half and then tie it up in place. You may use bobby pins in order to fasten it in place. Thank you for watching.